questions 8 and 9, we're going to solve for x just like we did on the last two. So we're going to separate our left and our right side. If we have parentheses, we have to distribute the term or the number in front of it. So we're going to distribute the 4. So we get 4x minus 8, and then we have minus 10. Make sure you don't multiply the 4 times the negative 10. It's not inside the parentheses. And then over here on the right, we distribute, and we get 2x plus 6. All right, so now we're going to combine like terms. Over here, I have 3 terms, so I know that I can put something together. So 4x, and then negative 8 minus 10 is negative 18. And then over here on the right, there's nothing that could be combined together. So now I need to either move the smallest one or the one that's on the right, depending on what you prefer. So 2x is smaller, so I'm going to subtract it to get rid of it. And over here on this side, that leaves me with 2x minus 18 equals 6. And then we want to get rid of that minus 18, so we're going to add 18 to both sides. So that gives me 2x equals 24. And then we divide by 2, because that's our coefficient in front of x. So x is 12. Again, we can check that in the calculator. So y1, we're going to do 4 parentheses, x minus 2, and then minus 10. And then in y2, we're going to do 2 parentheses, x plus 3. And my window, I zoomed out. I didn't change it back to standard, but my answer is 12, so that's bigger than 10, so I'm going to have to zoom out anyway. But I do see them cross, so second trace 5, enter, 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 and x equals 12, so my answer is correct. Okay, on number 9, again, we're going to separate the left side and the right side. We're going to distribute, because we have parentheses. 4x is not the coefficient of your parentheses. It's negative 1. There's negative 1 in front of the parentheses. So we need to distribute that. So we have 4x, and then negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, and negative 1 times negative x is positive x. And that equals 5x. 5x is on the right. So over here, we combine like terms. 4x plus x gives me 5x. Minus 4 equals 5x. Notice that they both have a 5x, so they're going to cancel. When I subtract that, they're both going to cancel. So this side has a negative 4. This side, since there's nothing left on that side, it's 0. And negative 4 does not equal 0. That's false. And so there's no solutions. And you can either do the symbol for no solution or you can write it out. But don't put false. False is not your answer. That tells you which one it's going to be, whether it's no solution or infinite solutions. And so since it's false, it's going to be no solution.